Welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed the show. We are making progress here with this SS.
Well, we're busy cleaning up the frame of the SS Jag, sanding it all down. I'll make it all nice, spray it black, and we can mount it in the car. And Gerald again rubbing. There's the story. Right, so we've been fitting up the chrome bits and the handles so that we can open from the outside. Gonna have to still make a plan here somehow. The windows are all in and working. And then we've also checked the cable, which we're going to have a new one made for the speedo. Luckily we had the sample from the Mark IV, so I have to go now and get this cable made, and then we can connect that all up, and then hopefully we'll have a speedo that works. Yeah. Anyway, still lots of work to do here. Lots of work. Okay, so it's all prepped and rubbed down now. Come and spray this thing now. And then we've got a nice frame. And should work out quite nicely. Then we can start assembling this and getting it ready for the for the soft top, which you have to still make. There we go. Close the gun a bit more. Why is it coming so funny, the color?
Well, that black underneath was it?
Eh?
Was it black underneath?
Well, let it dry and then put another coat on it. I mean, as long as you've got some primer on here now. Luckily it's windy, so okay, sweet. So that primer is cool. Then we got to rub it down again and paint it black. Cool. That's cool. That's fine, Gerald. It's gonna be all big black. That was almost a day's work getting this right. Right, so now we've got the frame nicely painted in grey. Well, you don't see it anyway because all of it's covered, but it's now looking a lot better. A lot better, so that can go in shortly as well, so it's like new again. Lekker. Radio.
But yeah, still lots to do. I've been away for a couple of days. Door handle is up, windows are in, roof frame is up. Engine head is waiting for, other chrome pieces we're still waiting for, seats we're still waiting for, dash is looking nice. They're still busy with this back piece. I see that plate is in for the number plate and the tail lights. Ah, it's looking good, my man. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's looking good. Yeah, so that was a dropped phone. Looking good, looking good. Yeah, and we're waiting for the head. Speak to Mike now about what's happening to the head.
You saw the fucking video that Tony took? Could have gone in a bit. No, it'll work. I think this will work in here. So that the window doesn't. Maybe the other one he says was 10 mil. Maybe the 10 mil one's better outside. Eh?
Dude, I don't think this car was ever waterproof.
No, but you don't.
I mean, look at those gaps by the fucking pedals.
No, but that's easy shit. That's nothing. I'm just trying to see here. Yeah, I think it'll be a little bit. Maybe the fatter ones would have been better. You know what? You need to go and see the fatter ones.
Let me buy a fat one and bring it.
No, but they're $200 each. I think, you see, there is play here, and maybe the fatter one is. He said this was 6 mil. Okay. And the other one is 10. That's that much, eh? Maybe
Look, it still squeezes now.
Yeah, I know. If it squeezes, then it's fine, yeah. Because we need that in here to stop the window from rattling. So maybe just change 2 for the fatter ones, and I can play with it. And then, whose money is it?
Man,
You're killing me.
so we went to an auction and we bought a little Mini. Being in Cape Town, it is a little bit tough to find parking, especially if you're a woman driver. No, there's a girl working for me and she needs to be able to park in town, and Bucky is a bit big for her and she even struggles with the Merc. And another reason why I had to get a new car is my baby has got turbo issues. So I'll have to come and strip and get the turbo out and get it somewhere. And while I'm doing it, should I decat it? I mean, it's legal, I think. And I'll also be doing the injector seals. So that is it, guys, for tonight. I hope you enjoyed the show. Subscribe, like, comment. If there's anything specific you guys want me to video, please pop me an email and I'll put it in my script. We do not do scripts, but yeah, guys. So the C-Class is going to get a new turbo, or not a new turbo, I would rather say reconditioned, but we're gonna see where it goes. Maybe it just needs a clean. We have to strip and see. And just an update. The SL. Oh yeah, sorry. The Jag is still for sale. We might attend to it sometime soon. And then the SL, we've got a fancy new Android radio for it. We bought the sway bars because we took out the ABC suspension. We put coilovers. Now it needs sway bars to stop the body roll. So that will be coming in soon. And yeah, guys, thank you very much for joining our channel. Have a good evening. Cheers.